Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our general knowledge book, that is Knowledge World of Class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with it. Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our chapter 9, that is Special Transport. We have actually frequently traveled in our daily lives और हम करते ही हैं अपनी daily life में कहीं ना कहीं travel, and for that we use certain kind of vehicles, or you can also call it as transports. So today we are going to study about transport, but they are very special on their own. When we frequently travel in our daily lives using a variety of modes of transportation, but there are certain transports which are special. There are, however, some additional specialized vehicles and crafts that are employed in such activities like construction, warfare and exploration, etc. Some means of such transports are given below. Name them using the help text. तो आपको कुछ ऐसे स्पेशल ट्रांसपोर्ट दिए गए हैं, आपको उनके नाम लिखने हैं and you can use the help desk for the same. Let's now begin with the exercise. Image, and this first image is of combat plane. Now this is a combat plane, it is another specialized transport. Then the second picture is of helicopter gunship. Now this is a helicopter which includes guns along with it, hence it is known as helicopter gunship. Then we have the third picture of a crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Fourth picture is of a space shuttle. It carries things to the space. Then the fifth one is a water scooter. It has a wheel in front, but that doesn't mean that it can also move on land. No, it is a specific scooter which functions only in water. The next we have the image of a hot air balloon. Seventh is a snowmobile, and it only runs on the snow. The next, that is the eighth one, is of excavator, E-X-C-A-V-A-T-O-R, and this is all about the eighth one. Then quickly let's see what does the quick fact say about. The quick fact says special transports are sometimes scheduled at night or during off-peak hours to minimize the traffic disruption. तो ज़्यादातर हम ऐसे कुछ स्पेशल ट्रांसपोर्ट्स होते हैं जिनका यूसेज तब होता है जैसे कि नाइट में, ताकि या फिर ऐसे पीक आवर्स ऑफ आवर्स पे जब आम तौर पे नॉर्मल पब्लिक आसपास ना हो, ताकि ऐसे ट्रैफिक डिस्ट्रप्शन ना हो, ट्रैफिक में कोई परेशानी ना हो, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी ह्यूज, और जब वो मूव ऑन करेंगे तो क्या होगा, हो सकता है कि ट्रैफिक पे प्रॉब्लम हो जाए. एंड इंश्योर सेफर ट्रांजिट ऑफ लार्ज एंड हैजार्डस लोड्स. और इस तरह के लोड्स को ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए हम बहुत सेफ तरह के एनवायरनमेंट को यूज़ करते हैं, ताकि किसी पीपल और किसी पब्लिक को हम नुकसान ना पहुंचाएं. Let's now move further. The last part of this is your answer. Please, do you know what is the purpose of an ambulance? So this question is for you children. You have to answer this question, that what is an ambulance used for, and then you have to write an answer over here in your book. So this was all today about. Thank you for watching the video. Keep studying till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.